dreamer.
But a dreamer in a world that's never true. I always see her. She's a girl who just can't keep. But she plays the game from your away. Never feel like war. And isn't my imagination? It's never to be true. Isn't my imagination? Is it true? Will get you? I'm always dreaming of you and I. You're always with me. I'm always dreaming of you and I. If only I could feel you right now. Any other way to see. And it's not a dream for you and me. But a dreamer, she's an angel, it's alright. I'm a believer, but everyone I love will get to leave. So when I wait, just watching over me. My imagination, feel within you here. No, it's my imagination. I know it's precious to you. I'm always dreaming of you and I. You're always with me. I'm always dreaming of you and I. If only I could feel you right now. Maybe I don't wait to see. But I'm in love between you and me. But I know you say you love me now. For how long? Do you know of the something satisfaction in my soul? Every time you let me only escape into the reality state. And I'd imagine and foresee the futures actuality. And I'd imagine what could be, but I pray you're not just another dream. We have not played Oakland in a while. I'm super glad to be here. Please give it up for our friends in Mannequin Planet. Really appreciate them. I'm trying to figure out. You're fucking with me, dude. Now please give it up for our friends in Face Reveal who helped put this up. Where are you going, Alex?
I'm right here.
Keep going with the song. Also, Tyler, my fill-in drummer, my regular drummer, is not here today, and I really appreciate Alex Sr. for stepping in. So thank you, Alex Sr. Please get up for our friends in Everspring who were right before us. And Alex Jr., because he's pretty cool. Alright, sing along if you know it. It's just same words over and over to the outro. I'm always dreaming of you. Always dreaming of you. I'm always dreaming of you. Always dreaming of you. Always dreaming of you. Always dreaming of you. I'm only dreaming. Thank Thank you. We got a few more. All right, please take your hands and clap with me. Alex Jr., Alex Sr., do your thing. All the Alexes. All right. Oh, yeah. That's me, don't worry. Keep it up for the sound guy. Oh man, we gotta start wrapping up here. Okay. We got a few more. This is it.
It's been a while since you've disappeared.